Welcome to Ecosystem Vitality Basin Condition. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add data for land cover naturalness or channel modification. The same method is used for both sub-indicators. In this tutorial, we will use land cover naturalness as an example. If you have compiled data in the form of a GeoTIFF file with land coverage data, click the top right button to upload the GeoTIFF file. Click Next, then Import. The mock data used is LCN mock data under Ecosystem Vitality. Wait for the data to be processed. The data should appear on the left with a pie chart on the right. If you do not have compiled data or wish to edit your data, you can also key in the degree of naturalness, but you must ensure that the total percentage is 100%. That is all with the two indicators. Thank you and see you again.